are you doing? Thanks for clicking and welcome to English Vocabulary. In this video, we are going to talk about advanced English vocabulary. So, let's get started. Number 1 is querulous. It means habitual complaining. Number 2 is conspicuous. It means completely obvious. Number 3 is exacerbate. It means make worse. Number 4 is entrenched. It means fix firmly or securely. Number 5 is chortle. It means to chuckle or laugh merrily. Number 6 is preclude. It means prevent from happening, make impossible. Number 7 is didactic. It means instructive. Number 8 is cryptic. It means mysterious or vague. Number 9 is germane. It means relevant and appropriate. Number 10 is meticulous. It means marked by extreme care in treatment of details. Number 11 is impudent. It means improperly forward or bold. Number 12 is perfidy. It means an act of deliberate betrayal. Number 13 is dogmatic. It means highly imperative, arrogant. Number 14 is aesthetic. It means concerned with appreciation of beauty. Number 15 is lambast. It means criticize severely or angrily. Number 16 is incisive. It means intelligently analytical and clear-thinking person. Number 17 is eschew. It means deliberately avoid and stay away from. Number 18 is predilection. It means a strong liking. Number 19 is deferential. It means showing respect. And number 20 is culminate. It means reach the highest or most decisive point. Number 21 is mitigate. It means make less severe. Number 22 is concede. It means acknowledge defeat. Number 23 is superfluous. It means serving no useful purpose. Number 24 is diffident. It means lacking self-confidence. Number 25 is mawkish. It means overly sentimental to the point that is disgusting. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.